Getting new concrete at your home is a significant undertaking. Whether a new driveway, patio, or garage slab, it represents a major financial investment. The expectation is this surface will increase your property value and remain completely intact for decades. However, a dangerous misconception exists that this process is limited to the simple act of pouring liquid concrete. In its basic form, liquid concrete is heavy and rigid, making it highly susceptible to shifting soil and environmental stress. When contractors bypass the engineering phase, the results are expensive: sinking slabs, deep cracks, and a total loss of curb appeal. BRK Concrete and Hardscapes installs high-quality, structurally solid hardscapes engineered for long-term stability. Protecting your investment requires a look at the hidden layers of structural engineering needed for a driveway to actually survive. This cross-section shows the lifespan limit of any slab. Let's look below the surface to the raw earth. Loose soil naturally shifts. When heavy concrete sits on it, soil layers compress unevenly, causing the slab above to warp and fracture. Our installers solve this by using advanced techniques and materials to heavily compact and solidify the ground before any concrete is introduced. A highly compacted foundation is the only way to prevent a heavy slab from sinking and breaking from the bottom up. Above the foundation, we address the internal support structure required inside the heavy concrete. Concrete is hard on the surface, but it lacks the internal tensile strength needed to resist cracking under constant top-down pressure. BRK solves this by integrating a grid of hardened steel or fiberglass rebar into the project. This diagram shows the grid functioning as a structural skeleton. When top-down force hits the surface, the rebar absorbs the pressure, dispersing it on the grid to prevent cracks from spreading. This engineered internal skeleton creates a crack-resistant, load-bearing structure. Finally, we arrive at the surface layer, the concrete mix itself. BRK sources materials from high-end suppliers that integrate modern material science and technology into their products. The concrete we install is filled with microfibers and chemical additives that create the best mixes available. Microscopically, millions of tiny fibers physically weave together. They bridge gaps between standard cement particles as the mix cures. This interlocking action holds particles together, preventing microscopic fissures from expanding when the surface is under load. These additives act as the muscle of the slab, ensuring the surface withstands decades of wear without deteriorating. Looking at the completed hardscape reveals the combined value of all three engineered layers. The combination of compacted earth, a rebar skeleton, and microfiber reinforced concrete creates a result far superior to a standard installation. At BRK, we are not in business to make a quick buck and move on. We take pride in installing high-quality hardscapes that last, ensuring your property value is protected for the long term. BRK is currently accepting new clients for upcoming hardscape projects. Reach out to BRK Concrete and Hardscapes to determine if this premium engineering approach is the right fit for your home.